How to fix Apple Music volume too low on your iPhone. If you're struggling with the same problem, don't worry. This video is right for you as we have brought you some simple tricks and tips on how we can fix that. Firstly, go and swipe down on your phone and tap on the shortcuts. Here, make sure that your volume button is turned on in the maximum mode. Another thing what you can do is go and tap on your settings. As you tap into your settings, scroll down on your phone and tap on sounds and haptics. Once you tap on sounds and haptics, scroll down again and tap on headphone safety. Here, make sure that your reduce loud audio is turned off. Another step what you can do is go back on your settings and scroll down on your settings until you find the option called Apple Music. Go and tap on Apple Music. Scroll down on your screen and tap on sound check. Make sure that it is turned on. Once you do it, it will automatically be fixed. Now, another thing what you can do is you can go and scroll down on your screen and check if your phone is connected with someone else's with the help of your Bluetooth. Sometimes when you use your Bluetooth, it will automatically create some problem with your Apple Music. So in this way, you can easily fix Apple Music volume too low on your iPhone. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.